In today's video, I'm going to show you how to decorate those plain jars using tape. Actually, it's a PET tape, probably better known as PVC tape. How many of you have tons of PVC tape in your studios and you're wondering what to do with it? Here's one of the idea. I love the idea of decorating my jars with it because I wanted to make sure that whatever I'm going to put on my jars will stay on it. I'm using my jars all the time, every day, and I wash them constantly because I use them for water when I watercolor paint or mixed media art journaling, and I'm cleaning off my brushes. So I always wanted to decorate those jars. I wanted to make sure that whatever jars I have on my desk, they will look pretty. Basically, that was the idea. And I also love the fact that this particular tape is like transparent one, so you can see through it. Here is another jar. I decorated with the washi tape. I liked it, but not as much as the previous one. Then I grabbed another one. Here is that, and I just liked it as well, but not as much as the clear one, I have to say. So I went back to it, grabbed the bigger jar, and this jar actually I am using for my flowers. It's like a flower vase, and I wanted to also decorate it because I figured if it's gonna be just a plain jar, it doesn't look that nice, and I wondered, can I use this tape on the bigger jar? Will that look pretty as well? Let's see, let's check it out. I like the idea because not only we can use the tapes that we stored over the years, and I'm pretty sure you have plenty of the tapes of this kind, so it's just the idea how to use it, how to use what you have in your studios. That's my recent way of thinking. Use what you have. However, if you love this particular tape as much as I do, my one is nearly finished. You can actually check the link below for the tape, and maybe you wish to purchase it. It's a gorgeous tape. From all the tapes that I have around the house, I think this is my absolute most favorite of them all. The very simple jar looks just magnificent. I love it so much, and you can see that I'm trying to match up the design a little bit. It's really fast technique, fast way. I've washed my jars many times and nothing happened to them. I love the idea how simple and easy that is. I can use those jars for my flowers, as here the bigger one, and I also have been using my jars for my art supplies. And I love jars in general, so why not use them, why not decorate them? I hope you like this little hack, and if you did, let me know what you think, and I'll be back very soon. I already miss you, but I promise to be back. Bye.